Whoa, Jock, are we expecting royalty? Someone even more important. My pops is coming to visit. Your dad. How come we haven't met him before? The author is pretty slow with these kind of things. He's here. Shouldn't we open the door to greet him? Nope, no need. Just duck. Howdy, folks. Long time no see, son. Hey pops. You've been getting wider. Can you even fit in the panel? Bear lie. Oh, it's Charles's boy. Been keeping my son out of trouble with that brain of yours? Yes, sir. Dad, this is my girlfriend Olga. Sharp curve on the side, wide as a country road. I see, I see. Welcome to the family, lass. He judges people by the shape of their chin. Here comes the tiger spike. Bring it on. I think the ball got buried in the planet's core. Looks like you guys win. Behold. My ultimate hydrotastic mech suit. By placing the tube into the ocean, this thing can fire a non-stop stream of water. No additional tank needed. Oh nerd. Better not go near the water. Speaking of water. Where is it? Gone, but not for long. You're behind this? My rocket has shifted the moon's position, temporarily pulling Earth's oceans with it. Gentle nudge. Is that even possible? Look, it's coming back now. You pushed the moon out of orbit just to get me. Gotta respect your game. Nien. What's troubling you, my love? Nothing, I'm just pissed. Do not worry, girl. Lay your head upon my chest and let it soothe you. That looks comfy, I want to. There's always room on this meat bedrock. Tiger, you too. Should I even ask? No words, only the tranquility of my awesome pecs. Hey babe, Jim a kiss. Give one for IT2. Sigh, fine. I suppose Lefty wants one too. He's still sleepy after yesterday's workout. See. What you biting me for? No reason. Is this one of those psychology things to get me to bite you back? Maybe? And then I passed to Nerd, and we scored the winning touchdown. Look, someone rolled a carpet for us, how nice. Halt, only one person is worthy to walk on this servant bridge. Who? Why, her of course. Our queen. Nerd, darling, we finally meet. Who are you? I'm his girlfriend, of course. What? What did you say? Whoops, I meant future girlfriend. You are in a presence of queen, top student, cheerleading captain, a shining beauty. Sunglasses? What does that have to do with nerd? Quite simple. I've been looking for a suitable mate equal to my radiance. According to the data from tests and physical exams, he is the most qualified. Congratulations, Mert, I have chosen you as my new boyfriend. Congrats. Hooray. I'm so jelly. Bro sure is popular. Why aren't chicks lining up for me? Don't worry, I take care of them when you're not looking. Come, Mert, my king. Our new life begins here. Hold on, lady. I have to decline your offer. I'm already happily in a relationship. With who? Me. Oh, some commoner. That won't be a problem. Just break up with her and get together with me. That's the most logical thing to do. Huh. Here's logic for you. My fist plus your face equals. Beat it and never come close to my man again. Looks like we need to settle this old-fashioned way. Gladly. So how much for you guys to break up? You can't just buy him. I buy new purses all the time. How is this any different? This is my last warning. Surrender nerd to me now. Never. Fine, have it your way. Wow, she gave up easily. I have never been denied in my life. But I always get what I want, just has to resort to plan B. Oh, what's that weird thing over there? Huh. Hey, there's nothing weird here. Only this cute person looking at us. We've been duped. Yoink. She took nerd. Doho, hoho. Can you put me down, lady? This is rather embarrassing. Hush, boyfriend should be seen, but not heard. Give him back, thief. Servants, protect your queen. Yes, laddie. Simp formation, the wall. Jimmer lift, tiger. Roger. Release the nerd now, or get squashed by my awesome pecs. Nice try, big boy. Surrender or face the wrath of my friend. Don't worry, girl, I still have lots of fans left. Like these flies can stop me. Give him back now. But you haven't met my biggest fan yet. Oh Gregory. Tiger. Doho ho ho. Now, let's finish this. Fine, whoever wins gets nerd. But first, let me tie my shoelaces. Psych, I don't have any. That's the best yogurt, my turn. Oh, you're sitting like a cowardly pup, suits you well. Wait, I'm the queen here. You should be sitting on my command. Oh, as you wish. Ready to give up, Barbie legs. Go tiger go. I yield. But, anything you want to say to nerd? Sure. I'm willing to raise the breakup offer to 1 million. You're still on that? No way. Wow, what a greedy bunch. Fine, 2 million, but that's my final. Don't you get it, lady? We don't care about any price. What do you mean? Our love shines like the stars of the universe, and even after our matter dismantles, our combined souls will never separate. Yeah, what he said. But I'm the queen. I get everything I want. I want what they have. Queen, more like a bratty princess. I wanna. Like my grandpapa used to say, no amount of wealth can fix being a total didoo head. Brutal but wise words, Jock. Don't worry, girl, there's lots of cool and single guys out there. What's the point if I can't have nerd? That's it, my new life mission is to break you all up. Huh. Your parents, your grandparents, your pets, I'm gonna separate you all. How rude. Simp formation, simp cycle. Servants, we are leaving. One day you'll be mine, nerd. What just happened? I know, right? Riding a vehicle in the hallway is very irresponsible. And Dan, Jarrus,